Welcome back to Cryptopia, where we go over the digital Wild West that is NFT land. Today, answer this question. Do you dislike poor people? Be honest now. Of course you do. We all do. They smell. Then maybe you should check out this NFT. Okay, what is it? A 10,000 collection called Yeti Secret Society. Hush, hush. For the Ethereum blockchain. On top of that, the Yeti is not only a JPEG, not just some PFP project. They are a membership, baby. A card to an exclusive, elite, secretive community. Do you know the Elite Four from Pokemon? Do you know them? They are nothing like that, okay? It's eerily close to Jeffrey Epstein, though. We're just going to ignore that for now. Honestly, it's more of a cigar lounge kind of feel, but no cigars. Instead, you have JPEGs. The current market isn't great. Hell, the world is a dumpster fire inside of a nuclear explosion inside of the heat death of the universe. So building a luxury brand such as the Yeti Secret Society is planning to do with their particular NFT in the middle of a market downturn, though ambitious, is a little bit of a wild card in my opinion. But hey, Bates Clan proved me wrong in the past, so maybe they can too. Also, the supply looks to be a bit up for debate at the moment. 10,000 is a lot for the current state of things, and I think they're looking to adjust that. They are offering, though, networking redefined, they say. But how? How can you redefine the aspect of meeting people and talking to them and exchanging contact? Well, you'll be able to brush shoulders with the upper echelon, all right? Normally, you don't get to do that shit, all right? You know those people. They're the people that think they're better than you. But if you have a Yeti NFT, you become one of them too. Bruv, you can look down at the pores and show them your digital assets like it's a dirty little secret, because Yeti Society is a secret. You can make fun of pores during any of the Yeti member-only events they'll have. Jokes aside, it'll be, like I said, a cigar lounge-like idea. Anyone can enter as long as they have the Yeti NFT. What I'd say more than anything is that you're getting into this NFT is more of a luxury experience is what they're offering. Something you otherwise couldn't offer yourself or provide for yourself. That's basically the idea. So through exotic events and parties, you'll be able to kind of experience things you've never done before, all the while meeting with other blockchain and Web3 enthusiasts. Their first event will be in Las Vegas, where the untalented go to be sacrificed. It's like the wall from Game of Thrones. Let me tell you guys, the level of pores that are in Las Vegas is more than you can possibly imagine. It's honestly kind of sad, actually. But you have a Yeti NFT. So the lives of the pores don't matter anymore. You get me, bruv? A perfect place to flaunt a Yeti NFT. This will be followed by a massive party on a private island. Did you think the pores wouldn't be able to see you because it's on a private island? Negative. Where's the fun in that? Yeti Secret Society will be constructing a giant screen that will hover over a city. Which city will be determined by the DAO. And it will broadcast 24/7 how much better you are as a person because you hold a Yeti NFT, bruv. And to throw salt on the wounds that the pores can't afford to seek medical attention for, Yetis will have an all-inclusive cruise on the world's largest sailing vessel to Monaco. Yeah, baby. Also, to be televised, because otherwise, what's the fucking point? Am I right? Also, that Jeffrey Epstein joke I made earlier is starting to sound a little too real right now. We'll ignore that though. Now, sometimes you want to escape the pores, right? They stink up the place. They're always complaining about healthcare and not being able to afford things. It gets to be too much, honestly. Sit there and take your corruption, please. So, a physical space is going to be available to all the holders throughout the year. The Yeti Lounge. You can do whatever you want in there. No one else can get in there but Yeti holders. That means you can deal drugs. traffic drugs, run around naked with drugs, look at that weird mole on your body next to your drugs. You're an elite now. That comes hand in hand with a ton of drugs. Just the way it works. All right? Giant sailing vessel gas isn't cheap. You gotta get it somehow. All right? Don't do any of these, by the way. I'm joking. I don't want these guys coming back and telling me, what did you tell our people to do? You will have a private Yeti only space though. Something to note, they do have Twitter spaces where they bring on other projects, founders to speak and also host their own spaces, right? Like they bring the founders on to talk about their projects, but Yeti also hosts their own spaces is what I mean. And during these spaces, they give away Rolexes. Yeah, like actual Rolexes. So my assumption is they have backers that aren't just in the NFT space, but can't confirm that. So I'm just going to insert myself here real quick because once again, past me doesn't know things that future me does. Okay, that guy don't know shit. He knows everything now. So it turns out that they do have a VC backing, but a lot of it is actually paid out of pocket, and everything on their roadmap, or basically everything up to, I guess, Q4 or this year, is kind of already actually into next year. So into 2023, a lot of their stuff is already paid for, and it was paid out of pocket with a little bit of VC backing as well. But a lot of it is out of pocket, and what you are buying into when you get the Yetis is not really them needing the money to purchase these things. These things have already been bought. All right, I'm going to give it back to past me. He can finish this shit off. So as far as I can tell, the project is still evolving. I'm sure things will have changed and they will adapt. But if this is still true, which I don't think it is, they have it on their site, a price of 3.5 ETH for whitelist and 4 ETH for public. In this market, that's not gonna fly. And that 10K supply isn't helping for that price. But if you go on their Discord, there's an announcement showing to be determined for mint date, mint price, etc., and supply. So I don't really think that those numbers are currently still correct. I think maybe at the beginning when they first started, things were a little bit better in the ecosystem. Things have changed dramatically, and therefore they are adapting to that as well. And the market right now is at an all-time low. You know, it might have recovered by the time you were seeing this video, but you know, adaptation will be needed for sure. So I think the plan is to become something in the vein of like Nike, well-known, widespread, but reasonably affordable. But we'll see. In terms of the team now, and will they be able to pull off what they're trying to do? I mean, they've already apparently booked the vessel. So I'm just going to insert myself here real quick because future me knows way more than past me. He don't know shit right now. So it turns out that they do indeed have the vessel already booked for next year, 2023, from May the 10th to the 13th. If I am not mistaken, and I don't think I am, at least currently, unless they change it. That's currently what it is. And yeah, I'll give it back to past me. Go for it. We just don't know the exact dates and stuff like that, but they've already seemed to have booked it. But anyways, not into that. I'll probably be making another video on these guys and we'll go further into it. Volan, I believe that is how you pronounce it, is an entrepreneur and blockchain and NFTs CEO at Play One NFTs. So he's their COO, and he's also the CEO at Play One NFTs. So Play One NFTs is a platform for fans to collect, sell, trade, and discover exclusive NFT music. Other than that, I don't know anything else about the man. Hopefully, I will be able to get some more later on, but as it currently stands, there really isn't much information on him right now. Next, we've got David, who is part of the marketing executive team, creative marketer with decades of marketing experience, founder of Malenko.com and linkdefender.io. So Malenko is a platform that allows you to search up keywords across YouTube to find broken URLs that have expired and domains that have expired, and basically you can buy them. While Link Defender finds broken YouTube description links, so you never have to lose any kind of money. You can check, it'll alert you that, hey, these links are broken, check them out, and then boom, there you go. So David was the first affiliate marketer for Tai Lopez. David is also a YouTuber in his own right and has years of experience on the platform. He's been a CEO, PPC marketing, but not CEO. He's done SEO, PPC marketing, email marketing, video marketing. Like I said, a lot of experience accrued over the years. Next is Dan, also part of the marketing and executive team. He is a freelance digital marketer and content creator himself as well, a fellow Canadian. So unlike Americans who talk shit to your face, he's Canadian and we talk shit to your back. So don't trust that motherfucker. I'm kidding. I'm sure he's fine. Dan is a freelancer online, and so that's what he's been doing for the past few years. And to end our marketing team, we have Arvin, CMO, NFT marketer, worked with 400 plus NFT projects, consulting with them for future success. Insane. That included multi-billion-dollar sellouts apparently too. So those aren't my words; those are from his LinkedIn and his site. Arvin has a website that offers to help any size project, big or small, grow and sell with his tactics. Specifically NFT projects, this is what he does. He's been on a few different channels discussing these. I'll try to remember to link to them so you can see if his advice can help you, maybe some up and coming creators in terms of NFT creation. After that, we've got Noah Allen, Solidity Dev at Mellow Labs and Chief Information Officer at Meme NFT. That sounds made up as shit if you ask me, but my name is God Sham God. That's my name. It's a real name. Google it. It's a real name. Alec is next, also a Mellow Labs dev. He's done a lot of front dev stuff, and he's also part of Meme NFTs as well. Megan, the community manager, very active and very engaged within the Discord. She has her own personal collection as well, so she's experienced with that end of the space for herself. She knows what she's doing. She's about to take over the Yetis thing herself. She's like, fuck this. I got this. I know what I'm doing. I'm kidding. Knowing how hard it is to get a project off the ground, it's good to have someone like her kind of running in the community, keeping things going. She is committed to Yeti through and through, as far as I can tell. And lastly, we have Aisha, their moderator. As far as I can tell, she does her job. No hate. I wish I could say more. I just don't know. I have a lot of information on her. I just don't know that much about her. But that's pretty much it for now in terms of the Yeti Society. Secret Society. Hush, hush. Don't be telling everybody about this. Okay. But if you're interested in checking what they got out, go check them out. So that's it for now, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time.